new video. We are from Anu Online Tutorials. If you like our videos, please share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon. So let's go into our video. As we have discussed previously, doing traditional method and metal non-metals method, you may get somewhat confused, isn't it? That's why we made we have went to a new method, ABCD method, and students asked me to discuss more problems regarding this. So I am discussing it. So it's our sixth problem. What is our sixth problem? Na plus H2O leads to NaOH plus H2. Let it be anything, metals, non-metals, okay. First A, B, C, D. Na. 1 into A, 1A is equal to 1 into C, 1C. Next, oxygen. B is equal to, how many oxygens? Here only one oxygen, you know. So, C. Next, hydrogens. 2B is equal to C plus 2D. C plus 2D. Now, A is equal to 1 I'll take. I'll consider anything is equal to 1 now. A I'll consider as 1. So, C also becomes 1 here. C also becomes 1 here. Next, with what I'll go? C is 1, then B is equal to 1. Then B is equal to 1. Only I need to find D. So, 2 into 1 is equal to 1 plus 2D. 2 minus 1 is equal to 2D. 1 is equal to 2D. 1 by 2 is equal to D. So D value is 1 by 2. Substituting this, come on. A is 1. B is 1. C is 1. No problem if you take anything also. At last if you get balance, it's okay. But for my convenience, I am taking this. I have shown you in previous videos. No, you can take anything, no problem. So to remove this fractions, what shall I do? I shall multiply with the 2. I shall multiply with the 2. 2Na plus 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH plus H2. Now 2 balanced. Oxygen 2 balanced. Hydrogen 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 4 balanced, isn't it? So in an easy way. It will be a big problem in solving this. It takes more time, but in a less time you will do it. A, B, C. That's all. K. A is equal to B. That's all. No K. Next Cl. A is equal to B. That's all right. 1 into B. B. 1 into A. 1 into B. K. 1 into A. A. 1 into B. B. Cl. 1 into A. A. Cl. 1 into B. B. Oxygen. 3A is equal to 2C. That's all, isn't it? Now, here also A is equal to 1, B I got? No, A is equal to 1 you take. So B becomes 1. Then C, 2C. 3 by 2 is equal to C. C is 3 by 2. Now, substitute in this. A 1, B 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now, fraction, no fraction. So, multiply with 2. Done. C. 2K done. 2Cl done. 2 to the 6, 3 to the 6. Done. Example. So, again. A, B, C, D. Hg first. How many HGs are there? Only one. A is equal to here 1. C. That's all right. No HGs more. No HGs. Next, see here NO3 are there. No, these are polyatomics. This you can consider as one unit. If both the sides are there, then you can take it as one unit. If only one side is there, here it is not there. Suppose you are supposed to take N and O separately. Here both the sides like one unit NO3 it is there. So take it as NO3 as one unit. Now 2 into A. 2 into A. 2A is equal to here only 1. NO3 consider as 1 I said na 1. 1. Next go with K. K. B is equal to D. B is equal to D. That's all right. Yeah. I. What is I now? I. B is equal to 2C. B is equal to 2C. That's all. 1 into B, 2 into C. Next, A is equal to 1. I will consider. A is equal to 1. Then B is equal to A is equal to 1. Then C is equal to also 1. Then what happens to the B? B is equal to 2. Then what happens to D? D is equal to 2. Now everything is finished. A, B, C, D we got. A 1, B 2, C 1, D 2. Now check. HG 1 tallied. This is a 1 unit, isn't it? 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2, 1 unit, whole 1 unit. 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2, tally. Next K, 2, 2. Next height, iodine, 2, 2. Done. Completed. Hence, this is your balanced equation. See how easy it is with the ABCD. This is next example. A, B, C, D. Now AL. A is equal to 2C. Fe 2B is equal to D. 1 into D. Isn't it? Oh, oxygen 3B is equal to 3B is equal to 3C. 3B is equal to 3C. Now, A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Then C is equal to 1 by 2. Then B, 3B is equal to 3 into 1 by 2. This comes here, isn't it? B is equal to 3 by 2 into 3. B is equal to 1 by 2. Now, A, B, C, D I did not get, isn't it? B, 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to D. Answer. D is equal to 1. Yeah. Now, A, 1, B, 1 by 2, C, 1 by 2, D, 1. Whole, no fractions, isn't it? So multiply whole with 2. What you are going to get if you multiply with 2? 2AL plus 2 by 2, 1. Let cancel. Fe2O3 gives rise to 2. Let cancel. Isn't it? Al2O3 plus 2Fe. Now see, 2Al, 2Al done, 2, 2 done, 3, 3 done, over completed. These are 10th example. So take A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Now take first Na we will consider. Na only one. 1 into A is equal to nothing, no? Here, this is yields 2. Now, 2 into B, 2B. Here and more. No, nothing is there. So rub this. Okay, next term. C we will go with. 1 into A is equal to 3 into B. C, right? C, not oxygen, C. So 1 into B plus C, carbon. 1 into C plus no other carbon. So rub this. Done. Next, oxygen we will take. 3 into A, 3A is equal to oxygen. 3 into B, 3B plus oxygen, 2C plus oxygen, 1D, 1 into D. Hydrogen, 1 into A. Next, 1 into A. Next hydrogen, where it is? Here. 2 into D, 2D. No here, no. Only here, 2D. Now, A is equal to 1 you are going to take. What you are going to take? A is equal to 1. So take A is equal to 1. So what B becomes? 1 by 2. B is equal to what now? 1 by 2. What is C becomes? Here I substitute. 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus C. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to C. So 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to C. 1 by 2. Again C is equal to also 1 by 2. Then D. D is very easily available, isn't it? 1 by 2. D is equal to 1 by 2. So these are all the values. I hope you are understanding well. That's why I am taking these many examples to explain you. So see, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now A, 1, B, 1 by 2, C, 1 by 2, D, 1 by 2. Okay. Now, no fraction multiply whole thing with 2. 2 NaH CO3 gives rise to Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Now check. 2Na done. Carbon 2, carbon 1 plus 1, 2 done. Oxygen 2, 3, 6, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 done. Hydrogen 2 hydrogen, hence this will be your balanced chemical equation. 11th example, again take A, B, never going to fail this A, B, C, D. Mn, first Mn, 1 into A, no Mn's, so equal to Mn, D, only D, 1 into D. Next, Mn, yes, A equal to S, here, 1 into C. Next, what is next? Chlorine, Cl, B, 1 into B, where is chlorine? No chlorine here. 2 into D. Subscript into this. Nothing is there, it is 1. Not 0. Okay. 2 into D. 2D. That's all. Chlorine completed, sulfur is completed, H. B is equal to 2 into S, 2 into C, 2C. No H more. Now, consider anything 1, it will be the next one, very easy you are going to get. A is equal to 1. Then D is equal to 1. Then substitute here. Then C is equal to 1. Then B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Substitute in this. Next. 1, B, 2, C, 1, D, 1. Now see. 1, 1 done. Yes, 1, 1 done. Next chlorine. 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 done. Next hydrogen. Where is hydrogen? 2. Hydrogen 2 done. Completed. This is your balanced equation. This is your, see how easily you can do it. This is your next example. Again, A. Don't consider metals, non-metals. That is another method. This is very, very easy. Whatever it is there, write A, B, C, D. Whatever it is right today, write A, B, C, D. Go with copper. This is carbon, this is copper. This is carbon, this is copper. Here you see Cn, you can consider it as 1, I think so. Isn't it? In both it is there. You can consider cyanide, you can consider as 1. 1 unit, it will be easy. First you will do it, then that. Cn you can consider it. I said no polyatomics like this if it is there. In both the sides. If it is C is here, N is here, don't consider. Cn here it is there as 1 unit. I am considering it. Yeah. Cyanide 1 unit, right? Polyatomic it is. So 1, it 1. Nothing is there means it is 1. Nothing is there, but if nothing is there, it means 1, isn't it? Here also 1 actually. 1 into B. 1B is equal to 2C. Okay, next. Polyatomics only you have to. NO3 like this, they will give na. For that only you need to. Both the sides it is there only you need to. If it is there here and here, it got split. Don't do it. Here 1 unit it is, here 1 unit it is polyatomic, then you can take it. Next, copper. 1 into A. A is equal to 1 into C. 1C. Then copper over. Sulfur now. Sulfur. A is equal to sulfur 1 into DD. Sulfur completed. Next K, potassium. B, 1 into BB. Potassium 2 into D, 2D. Next, last one is oxygen. Oxygen 4 into A, 4A. Oxygen 4 into D, 4D. 4 into D, 4D. Now anyone I will consider as 1. A is equal to 1 if I consider. A is equal to 1 if I consider. What I need to consider? A is equal to 1. So C is equal to 1. C is equal to also 1. D is equal to 1. Next, if C is 1, B is equal to 2. Then A, B, C, D, everything I got it. Then substitute in this. Don't see the problem and don't be very hurry to do it. Nicely you can do it. Very easily you can do it. 1. B. 2. C. 1. D. 1. Now CO. 1. Done. Yes. Sulfur 1. Done. Oxygen 4. 4 ones 4. Oxygen 4 ones 4. Done. K. Potassium 2. Yeah, 2 done. CN 2 ones 2. C and 1 unit now, 2 ones 2. So hence this is your balanced. If polyatomic is there on the both the sides only, note both the sides only you need to take. Otherwise don't take. This is 13th one. Big one, no? Very difficult, no? Wow. How to solve it? With ABC method. Easily. See. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. B, A. Take B, A first. Yeah. NO3. See. Polyatomics are there. First concentrate on them. NO3, 1 unit you can consider. 1 unit you can consider. Then nothing is there means 1. There is there, isn't it? NO3 will take first. NO3 first. First what you will take? NO3 we will take. What we will take? NO3. Then for NO3, NO3, 1 into B. Nothing is there. No, don't take 3. 3 belongs. This all becomes 1 unit formula. So 1 into B, 1B is equal to 2C. Next, BA, 1 into A is equal to 1 into C. That's all, no BA more. Next, go with the carbon. 1 into A, carbon, here no carbon, here carbon, yes, D is equal to D. Next, go with oxygen. Oxygen more are there, right? 3 into A. You should not consider this oxygen. This oxygen is NO3. NO3 we have considered now. Don't consider it as 1 unit. Don't consider it. So 3A. 3A is equal to. Here also don't consider it. Oxygen is there, 1 unit. Don't consider it. 2D. Plus C. Next, hydrogen. 1 into B is equal to hydrogen where it is 2 into C. 2C. 2 into C, 2C. That's all, right? Now take. A is equal to 1 you take. Then C is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. Isn't it? Next, A, B you need to. B, right? B is equal to 2 into 1. B is equal to 2. A, B, C, D. Everything we got. Yeah, A, B, C, D all we got. Then substitute in this. Taking trial and error method. That metals, non-metals and that method. It's a big method. Isn't it? See this small method how it is. C, D, E is there, no? This is E, not C actually. E. This is E. A, B, C, D, B, A. So, E, what you are going to get? For this you are going to get, isn't it? 2E you are going to get. For this O also, E you are going to get here. Yes, right. That's all right. Not C, that is E. Yeah. Not C, that is E. Once again I am saying C. NO3, 1 unit you consider B. Again, 2 into C. BA, 1 into A. 1 into A. BA, 1 into C. Carbon, 1 into A. Carbon. 1 into D. Here no carbon is not there. No, 1 into D. Here also carbon not there. Oxygen, 3 into A. 3A is equal to carbon. No carbon here. Yeah. 1 into D. Oxygen next. 3 into A. Don't consider this oxygen. Already we have considered here as 1 unit. So, 3 into A. 3 into A is equal to oxygen where it is next 2 into D plus E. Previously we have considered C. No. It's E. 1 into E. Hydrogen where it is H. Here it is. 1 into B. Next hydrogen. 2 into E. Next, B is equal to 2, isn't it? 2 is equal to 2E. 2 by 2 is equal to E. E is equal to 1. E also we got it. Previously we have taken E we have taken as what? C. But it is E. Let me, you don't get confused. Right. Yeah, plus. Then next 1 B 2 C 1 D 1 E 1. Now consider check. Ba1 1 done. Next carbon 1. Yeah, carbon 1 done. Oxygen 3. Oxygen 3. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. NO3 2. 2 into 1 2. NO3 1 into 2 2. NO3 done. Hydrogen 2. Here hydrogen 2. Once again I am going to explain. Listen here. Once again I am going to explain. See, Ba 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1 Ba. Carbon 1. Carbon 1 done. Oxygen 3. Don't consider this oxygen. NO3. This is NO3 oxygen. Don't consider. 3. Here no oxygen. Another. 3 ones are 3. Here 1. Oxygen 2 plus 1. 1 into 2 2 plus 1 3. Next hydrogen 2. Hydrogen 2 done. This is your balance. I am writing here clearly. You see balance equation. Once again I will write so that you will not get confused. BaCO3 plus 2H and O3 gives rise to BaNO3 taken twice. If it is there, taken twice you will call. Plus CO2 plus H2O. This is your final balanced. It is your 14th example. Don't consider anything. First A, B, C, D. There's more. This is a C equation. More C's are there, no? Yeah, Ca. Calcium. 1 into A is equal to 1 into C. Next, carbon you go. D is equal to 2C carbon, this also carbon, plus D. Okay, oxygen. A is equal to D. Then if A is equal to 1, if I take, and then D is equal to 1, then C is equal to 1. Only B you need to find. B is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. D is 3. D is 3. Now, put it in this. A 1 B, this is B only, no? I have written C. B 3 C 1 D 1. Done. Ca 1 carbon 3 2 into 1 into 2 2 plus 1 3. Oxygen 1. Here oxygen 1 is balanced. Now just A B C D. A B C D. Okay, these many are there, don't get confused. With ABCD method easily you can do it. Zn. What are there? You write down first. It will be easy. Yeah, Zn it is there. 1, no Zn here. 1 into A. A. Zn here is equal to C. 1 into Cc. Next, OH2, OH2 both are there. This polyatomics no. So differently O, differently H you need to consider. Isn't it? So consider it. Next, Na you will take. Na. 1 into B. 2 into C. 2 into C. 2 into C. 2C. Next, oxygen. 2 belongs to this 2. 2A plus B. 1 into B. Here, oxygen, right? 2C plus D. Next, hydrogen. 2 into A. 2A. 2A. Hydrogen plus here also hydrogen. B is equal to hydrogen 2D. That's all. We can't do anything. 2D, that's all. Now, A is equal to 1. So C is equal to 1. Then B is equal to 2, isn't it? B is equal to 2. C, A, B, C over D. 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 2D. 4 by 2 is equal to T. So D is equal to how much? D is equal to 2. D is equal to how much? D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. Then just substitute. Substitute A. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Yes. Now check. Zn1. Zn1 done. Next, Na2. 2 ones 2 done. Oxygen 2. 2 ones 2. 2. 4. Here oxygen 2 plus 2. 4. Done. Next, hydrogen 2 ones, isn't it? This subscript belongs to 2, this 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 into 2. 2, 4. Here also hydrogen. 2 into 2, 4. So, this is your balance. Once again, I'll show you balancing. I'll write clearly so that you can understand. This is your balance equation. So let it be anything. Teacher, why you have not taken OH2? OH2 polyatomics you said to consider. No, why you did not consider? Means polyatomics is both the size it is there you can. Otherwise, you should not consider. This is your balanced equation. So these all are the problems with using ABCD trick. Balancing using this, how much big the balancing can be. Within minutes you can do it. I hope you all understood it. You all understood it. So previous problems also, previous videos also I have explained all the tricks and all. So please you check over those videos also to understand this better. Thank you.